Yo, what up? I'm supposed to be taking video of them dropping a tree right now. I would hope so. I don't know what the fuck he's got going on. Oh, you need a broom? I got the blower. Yeah, let me talk to him real quick. I'll be right back. Okay, so just come over there and blow it afterwards? Yeah, I don't either. Let me talk to him. I'll call you right back. Alright, bye.